Hello, I am Elna Green. I am proud to be the Dean of the Pamplin College of Arts, Humanities, and Social Sciences, and to welcome you here today for what is a pretty rare event in the life of the college, and that's the inauguration of new facilities and ribbon cuttings. Those things don't happen every day.
Let us begin by remembering those who have gone before, who envisioned and founded this music department, which is now part of Pamplin College of Augusta University. We remember them all.
This place today is not just for musicians. It's not just for our music faculty. It's not just for our students who are going to major in music. It's not just for our students who are going to be studying the fine arts. It is for all of our students. It adds such a richness to our curriculum, to our course of study, and to who we are as Augusta University that nothing else can do.
I believe that I speak on behalf of all of our undergraduate music students when I express the immense gratitude that we have for the renovations done to the building and the opportunities that it will create for us as a student body.
We are so excited about this renovation because it placed a very strong emphasis on improving the acoustics in both our practice and performance areas. And this is a tremendous benefit for both our students and faculty. This recital room that you see right now is now a very flexible space that is suitable for various uses.